Go to part 3. A second graph is defined by g of x equals 2.5 or f of 1/2 x minus 1. Calculate g of 0, g of 2, and g of 4. G of 0 equals 2.5 f of 1/2 times 0 minus 1 equals 2.5 or f of -1. F of -1 is 3. So 2.5 times 3 equals 7.5. G of 2 equals 2.5 f of 1/2 times 2 minus 1 equals 2.5 f of 0. F of 0 equals 2 equals 5. G of 4 equals 2.5 f of 1/2 times 4 minus 1 equals 2.5 f of 1 equals f of 1 equals 0 equals 0. D. On the same axis, sketch the graph of the function g of x. D. On the same axis, sketch the graph of the function g of x. Since we already figured out g of 0, g of 2, and g of 4, we will sketch the graph of g of x by calculating the transformed coordinates. From g of 0 equals 7.5, we know it's from the point -1, 3. This is A. Transformed to A prime, 0, 7.5. 0, 2, that is B. On f of x, transformed to B prime, 2, 5. On g of x, 1, 0, it's point C. To transform the C prime, 4, 0. Plot these points first. A prime, 0, 7.5. B prime, 2, 5. C prime, 4, 0. We need to figure out this point and this D point. So let's change g of x into transformational form, 2.5 f of 1/2 x minus 2. We do know for g of x equals a f of b x plus h plus k, x prime equals x over b minus h. Y prime equals a times y plus k. In this problem, x prime equals x over 1/2 is 2x plus 2. and y prime equals 2.5y. For point D, 2, 1 will be transformed to D prime. 2 times 2 plus 2 is 6. 2.5 times 1 is 2.5. Let's label this is F. For F, think about this is negative 3.10. Go to F prime. 2 times negative 3.1 plus 2 is negative 4.2. 0. Negative 4.2. Let's estimate this D. Here's 6, 2.5. Yeah, estimate here. Connect these 5 points, G of x. The graph of f of x is shown below. Sketch y equals f of x squared plus 1, clearly showing any asymptotes with their equation and the coordinates of any local maximum or minimum. Y equals negative 1 is a horizontal asymptote line. Based on this rule, negative 1 squared plus 1 equals 2. So y equals 2 is the horizontal asymptote line. Check this x-intercept. 0 squared plus 1 is 1. 0 squared plus 1 is 1. Then for 2 squared plus 1 equals 5. It's here. We do know for f of x squared, the special value is f of x equals 0 or 1. Because 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is still 1. Let's go to this special point here. 1 squared is 1, then plus 1 is here. 1 squared is 1, then plus 1 is here. So we can sketch the graph like this. Now let's look at the bottom here. This part, square plus 1, the graph will be this. Now let's transfer this new graph into this new coordinates. Clearly showing any asymptotes with the equations and the coordinates of any local maximum or minimum. You need to label the points and also write down the equation of any asymptote line. This is 0, 5. This point is negative 1, 1. This point is 1, 1. Graph is y equals f of x squared plus 1.